How do you know that birds are spies? Because they are always in disguise. I had a great teacher at my last school, called Mr. Turtle. He taught us well. How do you stop a bull from charging? Unplug it. An invisible man married an invisible woman. Their kids weren't much to look at either. I am driving through England, and plan to stop at Greenwich tomorrow. No idea what to do in the meantime. My job in Zimbabwe is applying a spray to soften the leather straps attached to a horse's bit. I miss the rains down in Africa. Why is Pride Month always in June? Because it comes before the fall. How do proctologists solve problems? By rectifying the situation. What's the internal temperature of a tauntaun? Lukewarm. What's the difference between a Hoover and a Harley? The position of the dirt bag. Why did the thong go to rehab? It was on crack. If you love Christmas so much, why don't you marry it? Why did the magazine company go out of a business? Too many issues. What do you call a corpse performing magic? Abracadabra. Pavlov didn't always have straight hair. He had to condition it first. I'm Bob Jeffy. Stay tuned to the end of the episode for a bonus dad joke and some random thoughts from my friend Lorelei Stewart. We are on a mission to spread the laughs and groans, so please share these jokes with your family. Good night all. I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you. Hey everyone, I now have a YouTube channel and I would appreciate you subscribing to it. Just go to YouTube and search for the Daily Dad Jokes Podcast or check the show notes page for the link. Thanks. The Daily Dad Jokes Podcast is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for social media links and joke credits. What do lawyers snack on when working big cases? Trial mix.